Hey everyone, today we're tackling an important question. Which programming language you should use for managing database? C#, Python, Java, or maybe something else? If you're struggling to decide, stick around. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, but depends on your project, the right choice can vary. Let's break it down and find the best fit for your need. First, let's see which language is best suited for. SQL or structured query language is the go-to language for managing databases directly. If your job is mainly querying and organizing data, this is your best option. And here's the SQL example. If you're working with data analysis, machine learning, Python is a fantastic choice. Libraries like Panda make it super easy to interact with databases. And here's the Python code to connection to the database. For corporate application, especially Windows-based software, C# and Entity Framework is the powerful combination. Here's a C# code to connect to SQL Server. If you're building large-scale enterprise-level applications that need security and scalability, Java with JDBC or Hybrid is an excellent choice. And here's Java code to connect to MySQL. For modern web applications, JavaScript with Node.js and frameworks like SQLite or Mongoose is a great option. Here's a Node.js code to connect to MongoDB. So, based on your needs, now you can choose the best language. But to summarize, SQL if you just need to manage and queries data, Python for data analysis and machine learning, C# for enterprise and Windows applications, Java for large-scale scalable applications, JavaScript and Node.js for web development and modern apps. I hope this video helped you out. What language do you use for database management? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more content like this. See you in the next video.